Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, let's start today's class, okay? In today's class, we are going to discuss about workbook exercises. Okay, in workbook, take page number 81. Topic is add our points. Now we are going to discuss about from page 81 to 84. Okay, children, let's start. Okay. Children, look at here. Read the following and answer the questions given below. Shruti, Priya and Amandeep were playing a game of making a chain of 100 flowers. One by one, they threw a dice and add the numbers of flowers that appeared on the dice to their chains. After 3 rows, Shruti has 8 flowers in her chain, Priya has 16 flowers in her chain, and Amandeep has 18 flowers in his chain. Okay, or you get it? Shruti has 8, Priya has 16, Amandeep has 13 flowers. Or you get it, children? Now, look at this flower picture. Okay, so children, count one by one. Okay, so here Priya has, Priya having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers. Okay, so this is Priya? No. So this is Shruti has 8 flowers. Okay, Shruti has 8 flowers. Children, now here take a pencil and count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So who is 13? Amandeep has 13 flowers. Or you get it, children? Now take a pencil and count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So who has 16? Priya has 16 flowers. Priya has 16 flowers. Children, take down your pencil and write these here. Okay? Priya, P-R-I-Y-A, Priya has 16. Shruti has 8 flowers. Amandeep has 13 flowers. Okay, here take a pencil and write in top from page number 82. Okay. Children, look at the first question. If Priya add 3 flowers in a chain, how many flowers will she have now? Children, carefully listen. If add 3 means, what will get Priya? Here 16. Okay, you take a pencil and write 16 plus 3. Okay, equal to 19. Take a pencil and write. Next, B. If Shruti had 6 flowers in a chain, how many flowers will she have now? Children, Shruti have 8 flowers. Take that and write in second. Okay, A. So, already Shruti have 8 flowers. Now, after add 6. Keep the first 8 in mind and take 6 fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Answer is 14. Okay, children, take a pencil and write. Children, next we come to C. If after one more throw, Amandeep has 18 flowers in his chain, how many flowers did he add? Children, or you get it? Amandeep has 18 flowers in his chain. Okay, how many flowers did he had? Children, see. Okay, see answer is. Here look, write tens once and then write bigger one, 18. Okay, Amandip has 18 flower. And write, already Amandip have 13, right? In top we wrote no, Amandip has 13 flowers. Children, what the question means, look at here. Okay, if after one more throw Amandip has 18 flowers in his chain, okay, so what the question means, how many flowers did he had? So already he had 13, you write it, and then next you put the box like this because we have to find the missing numbers. Okay, so answer is 18. So now he have 18, so that is the answer. Now we are going to find the missing number. So how will we find means, write the bigger one in top. Okay, then down write 13. Next, children, okay, after wrote like this, then we have to subtract the ones place. Okay, then we move to tens place. So after subtract it, we get 5. Please take that 5 and write it here. Next we move to another question. D. After adding 5 flowers, Priya have 62 flowers in the chain. Find the number of flowers in the chain before adding. Children, listen here, okay. What the question means, now she have 62 flowers. Okay. When will she have 62 flowers means after adding. Okay. So question is, find the number of flowers in the chain before adding. So 62, we have to subtract this 5. Okay. So in D, you write here. Okay. Write tens ones place and then tens place. Then we have to fill the ones place. Write the bigger one. Okay, 62 is bigger one. So you write the ones place and tens place. Then we move to 5. Okay, so 5. Here we have to put subtraction symbol. After, look at this here. 62 minus 5. Okay, we have to here borrow here. Okay, so because 2 minus 5, it's a top is very less number comparing to the down number. So in 2, we have to borrow from here. So here 6, 1 will go means it become 12. Okay, here 3 means it become 13. Here 1 means it become 11. So likewise here 2 is here. So we get borrow from here means it's 2 become 12. Or you get it, children? So now this is his number 12 minus 5. We get 7. Next here we gave 1 here. So it become 5 now. 5 minus here no number. So we consider as it is 0. Okay, 5 minus 0 equal to same number 5. Okay, so answer 62 minus 5 equal to 57. Or you get it, children? Okay, here put like this in pencil. Okay, cancel 2 and write 12. Here write it become 5. Okay, you write this slightly, don't write thickly. 62 is very important and then it's light work. Okay, this is we getting borrow from other numbers. Okay, or you get it, children? So then take that answer 57 here. Okay, you put box like this and then plus 5. So 62. So why I am doing here means this is for how to we found 57 answer. So only I wrote here, this is a rough work. This is a main work. Okay, take that answer and write 57 plus 5 equal to 62. So okay, this is a a question like this. 62 here, 7. What the number will come here? So 57 will come answer. Okay? Or you get it, children? Children, next we have another question. Okay? Now, look E. How many flowers should Amandip add to 79 to have 83 flowers? Children, now we have to find in this missing number. Okay? So, here, look at here. Okay? So, 879 is here. So, comparing to 83, 79 is smaller number. How will you find the missing number means? We have to write first this bigger number in here. 83. Okay, then 79. So we have to subtract it. Okay, so here 3, 13 will become 13 and it will become 7. We have to borrowing here. Okay, so 13 minus 9 equal to 4. Okay, 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So answer is 4. Take a pencil and write here 4. Or you get it, children? Children, next we have to move F. How many flowers did Shruti had? If on adding 3 flowers, she have 60 flowers in the chain. Okay, how many flowers did Shruti have? This is the question, okay? If on adding 3 flowers, she have 60 flowers in the chain. Okay, so here look, 65 is here, 3 is here. What will come here? We have to find. So, already I explained to you, right? Write the bigger one. And in down, write the smaller one. When comparing to 65, 3 is smaller. Write down. 5 minus 3, 2. And 6 minus 0 equal to 6. So, answer is 62. Take 62 and write here. Okay? Will you get it, children? Next, we move to G. Okay? How many flowers does Priya, Shruti and Amandip need to add to complete the chain of 100 flowers? Okay. How many flowers does Priya, Shruti and Amandip need to add? Okay. We have to find how many flowers need to add. So, Priya, Bob's 98 equal to 100. Amandip 96 is equal to 100. Shruti 95 equal to 100. How will you find, ma? Write the bigger number first. Okay, here 100. Wait, 100 minus 98. What will come? Here 0. We have to, no number is here. So we have to borrow from this. So it will become 10. It will become 9. Okay. So 10 minus 8 equal to 2. And 9 minus 9, 0. 1, it becomes 0. So 10 minus 2, okay. Here children, carefully listen. 100 minus 98 equal to 2. Take the 2 right here. Or you get it, children? Next we move to this place. So how will you find, children? We have to write here bigger number and down smaller number. 95. So minus it. So 100 minus 95, 5. Okay, we have to minus it. Or you get it? Take that 5 and write here. Okay. Children, next we move to third point in G. 100 minus 90. How will you write? Write the bigger number and okay, in down smaller number. So here 0. If you borrow from this place only, so it become 10 and this become 9, this becomes 0. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So take that 4 and write here. Or you get it? 2 and next box you write 5 and next box you write 4. Children, how will you find the missing numbers? We have to write first bigger number. In down, you write comparing to the bigger number. What is the smaller number? Okay, so you write that smaller in down and we have to subtract. Then only we get the missing answers. Okay. Children, next we move to second question. Mansi went to the market to buy 24 kg sweets. The shopkeeper told her that she can take the packets of her choice. Okay, so Mansi went to the market to buy 24 kg sweets. Children, listen carefully. Mansi idea is to buy 24 kg sweets. But shopkeeper told, what he told means she can take the packets of a choice. Okay, she also take the packets of choice. Okay, so tick this. Next we turn to the page number 83. Next, tick the correct option in each of the following. Okay, what is the total weight of all the sweets? Here write 16 plus 14 plus 8. Here add this 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 in the up, you put and circled it. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is 38 kg. Okay, this is rough work. You did this. Okay, you have to write in pencil in top. Okay, so where is 38? So you take that answer, this answer. Okay, 3. Next we have to move B. Which of the following sweets she can purchase? So her idea is to, children, her idea is to buy 24 kg. So which one is come here? So Kaju Katli is 16 kg. White Rasagulla is 14 kg. White Rasagulla is 8 kg. So 16 plus 8, okay? 16 plus 8 equal to 24. You write here. So you take the pencil and take fourth one. Kaju Katli is 16 and white Rasagulla price is 8 kg. So she has to buy, okay, she only can purchase Kaju Katli and white Rasagulla. Take the pencil and tick the answer 4. Okay. Move to third question. Karan, Rahul, Jatin, Mayur and Sohan were playing a number game. They hide one of their numbers. Okay, we have to find these. So this is also, we have to find like missing numbers. So here Karan 29 plus 18. How will you find, ma? You put 29 plus 18. Answer is 47. Take and write 47. Here you add like this. 29 plus 18. 9, 10, 17. 9 plus 8, 17. Okay. 3, 4. 47 will come. Here write the bigger one. 35, 70, 43. You write the bigger one in top and smaller one. Okay, next you write ones tens place. We have to subtract the ones place. 3 become 13, 4 become 3. We have to borrow 1 here means it become less number. 4, okay, become 3. In before 4, 3. Okay, 13 minus 5, what will come? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. Okay, so next, okay, answer is 8 here. Take that answer 8 and write here. Okay, next we move to Jatin. Okay, so here also we first write the bigger number 56. Here down write 25. Next 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. So answer is 31. Okay, next we move to Mayur. 13 plus 15. This is simply adding only. 5 plus 3. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Take that answer and write it here, 28. Next we move to Sohan. Sohan, 21 plus 48. How will you find, children? Write the bigger number first. Then write smaller number, 21. Okay, so we have to subtract it. No need to add this. Okay, 8 minus 1, 7. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So the answer is 27. Okay, take these and write in the blank lines. Okay, and also you did like this rough work. Okay, will you get it, children? Okay. Children, next we move to another. Okay, so what means write the missing numbers of all the players. Take the answer and write it here. 29 plus 18, 47. 35, what the second answer? 8. Take that and write. Next, third answer, 31. 31 plus 25, 56. 13 plus 15 equal to what is the answer? 28. Fifth answer is 27. Here, 21 plus 27 equal to 48. You take and write this. Children, take a pencil and write it. Clear, okay? Are you finished? Okay. Children, now turn to next page 84. Next, we have to find who won the game. Children, which one is bigger, ma? 47 is bigger. So, who won the game? Who won the game, ma? Look at and find out. Here, look. 29 plus 18, 47. 35 plus 8 equal to 43. 31 plus 25 equal to 56 here. In equal to what the number? That only we have to compare, okay? 13 plus 15 equal to 28. No need to compare the answers. We have to compare the equal sign after what will come. That only we have to compare and tell. 56 is bigger. So, name is Jatin. Jatin is won the game. Take a pencil and write it here. Jatin won the game. Okay, Jatin won the game. Like this, you take a pencil and write. Next, by how many numbers Rahul lost the game? We have to compare the winner mark. What the winner mark? Jatin what get? 56. So 56 and we have to subtract it. 56 is winner. Then we have to subtract player Rahul mark 43. He get 43. So we have to write here 56 minus 43. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. So here you take that numbers 56 minus 43 equal to 13. By 13 numbers, Rahul lost the game. Take and write. By 13 numbers, Rahul lost the game. Jatin won the game. Here in top, you did the rough work. You have to, okay, 56 minus 43, 13. So here, take and write. 56 minus 43 equal to 13. Then by 13 numbers, Rahul lost the game. Or you get it, children? Next, we have to move. Fourth question. Seema and Meira were playing a game. They both tossed the coin, okay, 4 times. Seema got 2 heads and 2 tails. Meira got 3 heads and 1 tail. Here 1 head equal to 10 points and 1 tail equal to 5 points. Children, carefully listen the question and now take your pencil and write what I am told. Okay. What I told, you take and write. Okay. Children, first we have to write Seema. Okay. Seema, 2 heads. H for head. Next you write Meira. Meira got, okay, 3 heads and Seema got 2 head, 2 tail. Next here write Meira got 3 head, 1 tail. Question is this only, ma. Seema and Meira play, okay, playing. They both toss the coin 4 times. 4 times they toss the coin, ma. What the question means, if you now imagine you are playing, okay, you are playing dice games, okay, dice, using the dice you play, no, so you have 2 turns, okay, you no need to imagine dice, you have in 1 rupee coin with you. Now you toss the coin. What will come? Head or tail? Next also you have turn. Okay, head or tail, like that. Okay, next also you have turn. Next also you have turn. So totally you have 4 turns. So like that Seema and Meera also playing. Okay, so Seema got 2 heads and 2 tail. 4 times no. So 2 times she got tail and 2 times she got head. And Meera got 3 head and 1 tail. Or you get it, children? Next, what the question telling means 1 head equal to, take and write, 1 head equal to 10 points. 1 tail equal to 5 points. Okay, you write it first. 1 head equal to 10, 1 tail equal to 5 points. Seema equal to 2 heads, 2 tail, Meera equal to 3 head, 1 tail. This is a question. Now we have to find, you see the first, find the points scored by Seema. Okay, how will you find means? So Seema what? Okay, Seema 2 heads, 2 tail. Right, Seema 2 heads, 2 tails. Okay, you write it 2 or you write it TWO. Write it 2 tails or write to TWO. Okay, find the points scored by Seema. Seema 2 heads, 2 tails. Okay, so this is for knowing. Okay, so here you do the problem. Okay, you do the solution. So 2H means 10 plus 10. Okay, for 2H. Here 2 tail means 5 plus 5. Right, 2 tail. So totally 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 5 plus 5 equal to 10 plus, okay. So next totally, then we have to add this 20 plus 30. Here do, okay, A you write and in down and then, okay, you put like this. Next you have to do, take these answer 20 plus 10 equal to 30. Okay, so answer is 30. Okay, find the points scored by Seema. So Seema got 30 points. Okay, or you get it? Seema 2 heads, 2 tails. So Seema got 30 points. Here look, 1H is equal to 10. 1 tail equal to 5 points. That means 1H, 1 head, 1 tail. Okay, Seema 2H, 2 T, 3H, 1 T means 2 head, 2 tail, 3 head, 1 tail. Okay, here this is a problem. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 2 head. 5 plus 5 is 2 tail. So now in down I did the sums, okay, steps of the sum. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. Next totally you total answer you have to total. Okay, 12, 20 plus 10, 30. Or you get it, children? Take a pencil and write. Okay, write neatly, ma. Other way you take also in rough note. Okay, you do the rough works and also rough note. Okay, next we have to move second point. Find the points scored by Meera. Okay, so Meera, what will get, ma'am? Meera got 3 head. Right, Meera 3 head. Okay, 1 tail. 3 head means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1 tail means 5. So we have to add this here. 10, 10, 10, totally 30. Add this. Okay. Next 30 plus here one more 5. Answer 35. So answer you take and write Meera scored Meera scored 35 points. Meera scored 35 points. Answer. Okay, taken right. Meera scored 35 points. And this is rough work. Meera equal to 3 head equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1 tail equal to 5. Then you add this 10, 10, 10, 30. And finally 30 plus 5, 35. Answer is 35. Or you get it, children? Next, who won the game? C. Okay. Who won the game? Compare the answers. In A, answer is 30 points. Meera is 35 points. Which one is bigger? 30 or 35? 35. So, Meera won the game. Okay. Next, we have to move 3D. Find the points scored by Meera if she got 1 head and 3 tails. Okay. If she got 1 head and 3 tails. So, 1 head means, here do 1 head equal to 10. 3 tail equal to, 1 tail equal to what the question? 1 tail equal to 5 points. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Here you add this 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. You write this here. 15 in down 10. And write 5 in down and 1 plus 1, 2, 25. Okay. So you take and write Meera scored 1 head equal to 10. 10 plus 3 tail equal to 15. Answer equal to 25. Meera scored 10 plus 15 equal to 25. Next we move to E. Find the points by which the winner won the game. Okay, find the points by which the winner won the game. So, which number is win ma? 35 is win, right? So now we have to write the winner won the game. The winner won the game by 35 points. Children, let's stop here. Okay. Let us see in next class. Okay. You kindly please take a pencil and write these in your workbook. Thank you, children. Bye.